How bad can it be? Hello again everyone, how are you all? Hope you're all well. Today we have a PC Engine that has come out of that storage unit, and I think this has got to be one of the grossest PC Engines I've ever seen. Let's take a quick look around it. It's really, really gross, everything on top as you can see, but wait till you see the front. Look at that. That is very special, that is. And it continues all the way underneath. I have taken the screws out and I'll show you why in a minute. Let's look at the back. It's got this little cover on though, you know, that's a plus. But it's rattling. I'm not surprised it's rattling with all of this water damage. I mean, look at that. That is absolutely disgusting. The sad thing is, I have never owned a PC Engine and I would love to get one up and running. But is this going to be one that can be fixed? Or is this just fit for the bin? What I want to show you as well is I did take the screws out. And these screws are incredibly rusty, as you can see. Really, really bad. But this is a first. This one here was rusted all the way through. Like, it just snapped off. Nothing holding it in. So, how bad is the rust going to be inside? I haven't opened it up yet. I'm going to save it for this video. This is really just a very quick look of inside of this poor PC Engine. So shall we do it? Why not? I don't know what these are supposed to look like inside. As I said, never had a PC Engine. And oh, I've just had a peek. Do you want to have a peek inside? Look at that. Look at that inside. It gets worse. I'm gonna have to just do it, and I ready. Let's just rip the band-aid off. Oh no, I can't. There's some cable. There is ribbon cables. Okay, I'll have to bend it up. I said first time opening a PC Engine, so I didn't even know there was ribbon cables in it. So yeah, there we go. That is the inside of this PC Engine. Let's take a close look. I know Mark from Mark Fixes Stuff has got a, is it ultrasonic cleaner? But I don't think even that can save this. That is some insane damage. That really is. I don't know what else to say really, but that is just, that's damage on a different level, that is. Let me know in comments, can this be saved? Do you think you can save it? Because this is completely out of my abilities, it really is. If anyone thinks they can get this up and running again, please let me know in the comments. Oh, we can take the board out. Should we have a look underneath? Oh, it gets worse. I didn't think it get these cables original. Let me know, because honestly I do not have a clue. You see why I'm wearing gloves. This is something else. It really is. Look at the ports. So yeah, these ribbon cables go into here and then attached to the bottom. Must be original. And we've got another board at the top here, and I think that's isn't that for the card? Even that's got damage on it, look. And yeah, the base. So yeah, what do you think? Can this be saved? I'm voting on no, and if anyone would like to take this on as a challenge to get this up and running again, please let me know in the comments down below. I will ship it to you, because otherwise this is just going to go in the bin. And just to show you what else we got in the unit, we didn't just forget one PC Engine. We got 5, and Yeah, look at that one. That one's absolutely disgusting as well. But I picked out the worst one for the video. What I thought was the worst one anyway. Some of these aren't too bad. So, like, it fills me full of a bit of hope that some of these can be saved. Security seal, yeah, well, gonna have to break that, aren't we? Look at the grossness on that. And I'd say probably these two are the best two. So yeah, let me know. Would anyone like a challenge? Because here's one for you. Right, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.